Yo, Beatworks, did we make a new track?
Yo.
Is it a banger?
Yo.
Are you the homie?
Yes.
That's the homie. Beatworks. 6 a.m., 6 a.m., I'm on the road, I'm like a soldier, ay, I am on patrol. Yeah. I'm like that Messi, cause I'm coming for the goal. I stay myself, dog, I don't sell my soul. But it's 6 a.m., 6 a.m., yes, I'm on the clock. Hey, 6 a.m., 6 a.m., no hanging on the block. Yeah, 6 a.m., 6 a.m., see me at the spot. Cause I be busy working, man, you know I don't give it. After I have chosen, let me show them who I am. All the timer steady beating, well, I guess it's 6 a.m. Wake up, make a coffee, and then maybe scroll the gram. After that, it's focus, kicking ass like Jackie Chan. Hey, it's back to grinding, kicking ass like Jackie Chan. So I pull out with the motivation. When I pull out with the motivation, gang. Oh, that's that group of killers that wake up on 6 a.m. Sip the coffee, then get ready, man. They so ham, cause they come for the targets. They put on the harness to taking your soul. Ready to get it, cause if it's well on the list, if it's able, then that button will be pressed. And the vision will be enabled, cause they're cold as ice, man. This is real, I ain't telling you no fable. Vision will be enabled, we ain't sitting down. Instead, we're really working as you looking like a clown. You try to get so wavy, man, you want a piece of cloud. But you ain't wanna put the effort in, so shut your mouth. I don't run with people like yourself, cause you are steady sleeping. While talking like a mobster, like the business up and peaking. I thought it's quite the opposite, cause you ain't even decent. So maybe switch your status from working hard to being for the pieces. Oh yeah, the pieces. Cause you are going down to zero and it freezes. So I'm like Jesus, oh I'm like Jesus. You need to go and fix yourself. Think about the cheap, yeah. Think about the achievements, yeah, before you really gone. Cause you'll be ripped to pieces, then your life will hold none. So think about the path you're pursuing and what you're on. Cause right now you are going down, though you could be the one, yeah.
This one right here is for all y'all who not only have a dream, but you know it's time to get it. I got one chance to get it right, so you know I'm grinding every night. I ain't never back down from a fight. If you try to stop me, what's on sight? I ain't here to play games, nah. Gotta get it, gotta go to the top, never stop. Man, the best is all I know. Was a diamond in the rough, now I'm going for the gold, and I'm about to shine bright, no Tiffany and Co. If you wanna be the best, you gotta do what 99.9% won't do. Show me boss. Go beast mode. Woo! Go beast mode. I don't wanna lose, I don't wanna fall. Nah, I've been paying dues, now it's time to ball. Yeah, been had this mentality, I ain't just evolved. Nah, all I did was play them, I ain't picked the cards. I was dealt with, some people are selfish. Me, I'm on the grind all the time, I can't help it. Focus in my mind till I'm young, rich and healthy. Until then, I'll be working on myself, B. Yeah, making money, making moves, breaking records, breaking rules, staying far from the fools. All we really wanna do is lay low and improve. Stay broke, never do. Hell, the riches coming through, and the women coming too. I can't even trust a few, cause they'll do anything for a crib with a view. And they sleeping on me then, so I put them on the snooze and focus on the grind, only way to never lose. Yeah, only way to never lose. So never snooze. Stay up. Stay working. Push past the pain. Ain't no such thing as perfection. We're gonna get so damn close. smoke. Want to be the best, you gotta do what 99.9% won't do.
I've been back in the way, I don't care what they say, yeah. I've been drained, yeah, running to pain, yeah, I guess it's part of the game, so I press the button and I play, cause I am up on this journey, yeah, I'm up on my way, man, I'm ready, but I do it. Everybody used to come around and say that it was stupid. Now I'm really back like a Mr. Ramsey, man, see me in the kitchen, I keep cooking up, I got the lamb sauce, all of y'all be like, damn dog, I did not expect that this boy was a champ, yeah. Different road, tell myself I'ma go. I don't listen to the voice that is making all this noise. So I ain't hanging with your boys that just try to fill that void. Cause I ain't got no time for that, cause I kick in the door and I come in with force. Hey, coming with force. Hey, yeah, coming with force. Hey, so open the door, cause I come in the game and I kick it in, cause I come with the force. With the force, I ain't never stepping back. I'm killing every verse, every feature, every track. Everybody wanna come to me now and be like, oh damn, boy, I know that you got it, then I wanna slice, yeah. It's like to be nice, I am like, yeah. Put in the work by yourself, cause I am just grinding this every night, yeah.
You know you pop into my head right now. What you know I felt, you doing that a lot. I wish that you pick up on your phone, I call. I hope that you're good no matter where you are. Hope that you're fine and that you're not like me. That you repeat, it's never complete. Watching the race, it's at the max of speed. I'm driving a red light, hope I make it here. I just wanna hear you speaking, anything I'll hear you screaming. I just wanna feel something, but anything to feel some pain, or just to pinch in myself, say no, I just need to feel something. Baby, won't you fight me a little, cry me a little, fight me a little, baby. Tell me, don't you want it a little, oh, just a little, fight me a little, say, I don't even know if we have it like that. Oh, all I really know is I think of you a lot, and I just really know that I won't want you enough. Even if you fight me a little. But you know you popped into my head again. Soon as my head is somewhere else to be, you throw me off like I was supposed to be. Something that tells me that I need you here. Don't even know if you know what I mean. There is so much that I want you to hear. I really think that we look at some way. Something is saying that I need you here. I just wanna hear you speaking, anything I'll hear you screaming. I just wanna feel something, but anything to feel some pain, or just to pinch in myself, say no. I just need to feel something. Baby, won't you fade